What's up, guys? Guess what? Today we're going to change the roof. And let me show you first in what bad shape this roof is. First of all, you don't have that. There is no window. Actually, I have the window, it's in a whole piece, and if someone wants it, let me know. But it was turned down from the top on the ground. Then we have the hole over here, here, and here. And then we have the whole piece over here is burned. I have no idea what people are doing in this car. And that's just on this side. Let's go on the other side. Same thing. Hole, hole, hole. And this is the original roof. So it's been a long run, and it's probably should have changed like 10 years ago, but I'm going to change it today. I need to remove this carpet. And what's interesting about this, that when I looked online how to remove the carpet, no one have showed me that bolt. No video have showed that there is a bolt over here and you need to remove it. And the same on the other side. And it's damn not easy. It's stuck. I have put some penetrating fluid in hopes that it will come up. It's not that bad. It's not. Well, the good thing is that it's not rusted underneath. The rest is fine. So let's go. I have the new roof right here. So let's see how it looks. I haven't seen it first. I just opened the box. Look at this. What we have here. Okay. There's some instructions. That's cool. That's a new roof. And it looks to be in a good shape. I like it. And here's the plastic window because okay, it looks nice. Well, now I need to remove the old roof and put this one on it. Let's see what the instructions have to say. Look at this. This is pretty cool. You have all the steps, and it says why you need that piece right here, and you have the tightening sequence. And this is pretty cool. I was afraid that this job is not that easy. I'm kind of afraid to do it, but hey, it's possible. In addition, I will save a lot of money. For those of you who don't know, to replace the roof on Miata in the mechanics place, like in the body shop, it's like $1,400. $1,400. I'm not paying that much. That's why I'm doing it myself. This roof cost me $175. $175 compared to $1,400. No, thank you. I'll do it myself. Okay, so I have prepared myself a working area. It's a bit of a mess, but just for now. So this is all the things that I would need to replace the roof, and of course the roof itself. Roof you've already seen. So here's what we're going to need. We're going to need a rivet gun, some rivets. I found this brush online. I'll include the links below. This is to clean the rain rail. Has its path to go the water to go down, and that path is probably closed, so we're going to clean it with this. And you're going to need some pliers to remove all the plastic trim inside. This is the glue that I'm going to use to glue the new roof to some of the places I will show you later. When you're going to remove the rivets, you're going to need something like this. I'll keep it just in case, everything that I need on this spot, so I won't have to run around. Next I'm also going to use these trays. They're magnetic and they will hold to the car in any spot that I will place it, and it will keep all the bolts inside, not going to fall off, even if this thing falls off, which it should not. Okay, so we can proceed. And of course, yes, I have this set. I bought it in Home Depot a long time ago. It is gonna help me remove the rivets in some spots. Let's take this roof off. So the first bolts, they are right here, right underneath, and it's really not easy to get it from the back, but this is going away. So I have an idea. Okay, the battery is on this, almost dying, but look at this. Look how dirty that is. And over here it's pretty into rust, so I'm going to need to clean right now everything. And oh, look at this. On this side I didn't see the cover for the seat belt, and here it was. Look how dirty all of this stuff is. It looks like this car was like a barn find. It was standing for who knows how long without ever moving. Yeah, but that is horrible. Now I need to clean this, clean all the area, and then move on to the roof. So before I put it back, I have a clean space to work on. And all this stuff, like this bar, I need to clean from the rust. This piece I need to clean from the rust, and I have a paint. They're all painted right now, and it should look nice. Okay, let's get into cleaning. This is the time we're going to use this. This is, one side is a bit stronger, the other one is softer. So let's try how that works. Okay, so here I am trying to remove this thing. Turns out there is two pieces that needs to be, like two plastic pieces that needs to be removed. One of them over here broke, so that's not cool, but it's okay. So yeah, when you're going to do it, be careful because of that plastic pieces. I only thought that there is only one screw, but turns out there is one screw and two plastic things that hold it together. Alright, let's move on. I also have cleaned these. They were all rusted, but now they are clean and painted like new. What's up, guys? This is a totally different day, as you can see, and we have roof installed. The fitment is not the best, so I'm not going to advise you to get a new one from the same place I got. As you can see over here, it has some slack. It's really a pain to put it over here. I still have to do that later today. But overall, like for 175 and DIY, yeah, it's not that bad. But you might ask, where is that empty street? Why there is so many cars? Yes, I'm in Brooklyn. I came to New York. and the car passed the inspection, which is also a good thing. Now I'm fully legal to drive on the street. So yeah, here it is. Let's see from the inside. Of course, the inside is a mess. Okay. So the rain rail is kind of okay. I'm not going to replace it because it's not cracked or anything. But the job is not the best, not the easiest. Yeah, as you can see over here, and same thing, and some slack on the side as well. So it's kind of wider, but over here it's all good. I don't get it. I just don't get it how this roof was supposed to be installed. I wrote to the seller, and they said, "Oh, just keep it on the sun and then install it. It should be fine." We had no problem with anyone. Well, I have a problem, and it's not good. I don't like it. We'll see. Maybe I will go and and replace this roof with something else, or let the professionals deal with this. Maybe they can fix this. Maybe there is something that I do not recognize, and I don't know. But let's see if I can drive with the top down today, because it's really nice. And maybe, just maybe. Okay. Yeehaw! Yeah, I've painted these pieces so they don't look that bad, and this, I already have those on order. I have painted this, but that was useless because it's already scratched. Yeehaw! Oh, it's so low to the ground. Okay, so here it is. There is the roof. So, kind of a fail. As in Ukraine, people say, cheap people pay twice. So, here I am, gonna pay twice. Because I decided to put a cheap soft top and do it myself. Which is kind of, I can save some money on doing this if we're going to reuse the same roof. But because I have the assembled most of the stuff, it will take a lot less work to replace the new roof. So that means I will save on the labor hours, and I will save some money on that. So that's good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, it was not that good because I failed in installing the roof. But you know, maybe you'll know now how that's done, and that's not so easy to do it yourself. But anyway, we'll have more videos coming, so subscribe for more and put a like if you do. Follow me on Instagram. We have some posts that I do usually between the filming the projects that I do with this car, so you might want to follow up on that. I hope you have a great time, and I'll see you next time.